Hi, I'm Sally. I'm a garden designer based in Rutland, and I'm standing in this beautiful Larkfleet Homes garden to talk to you about plants to attract pollinators. I think we're all really aware these days about attracting wildlife into our gardens, bees and butterflies. And bees have amazing impacts on the environment, and they pollinate all our crops, so we want to do everything we can to encourage them. What we need is flowers at a range of times through the year to get the bees into the garden. So I've got some early plants here, a pulmonaria and an elephant's ears. And then you can extend the season by putting in a catmint, which will flower early summer, and then the lavender, which we all know and love, which just attracts bees and butterflies like moths. And then late you can extend the season further with this lovely sedum, which will flower in September. So wonderful, wonderful way to have lots of buzzing insects all around your garden. And don't forget the winter. Ivy is an amazing source of nectar through the winter. So happy gardening and enjoy your bees.